2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The 2025 RAV4 Hybrid builds on Toyota's compact crossover platform but replaces the standard gas-only powertrain with a hybrid setup. It aims to deliver a balance of fuel efficiency, reliability, practicality, and the versatility of an SUV, making it a strong candidate for city driving, commuting, and occasional light adventure. It retains the roomy cargo space and height of a conventional RAV4, while offering better economy and smoother deliveries from the hybrid system. Powertrain AMP. Performance. The hybrid system pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine with electric motors. Transmission is an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission ECVT, optimized to manage both electric and gasoline power smoothly. Drivetrain. The RAV4 Hybrid offers an all-wheel drive AWD option, using the hybrid system to deliver power to both front and rear wheels for enhanced traction and stability. Driving dynamics. The combined output provides good responsiveness off the line thanks to electric torque, aiding city driving and merge situations. For typical driving, the RAV4 Hybrid feels quiet, composed, and efficient rather than sporty. Because of the hybrid's instant torque and balanced power delivery, the vehicle handles urban stop-and-go traffic well and remains stable and predictable on highways. Fuel efficiency AMP. Economy. As a hybrid, the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid delivers significantly better fuel economy than the standard gas version, especially in city or mixed driving where the electric Aussie. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery during deceleration, reducing fuel consumption and lessening brake wear over time. Because the hybrid system balances gasoline and electric power, fuel cost savings can be substantial over long-term ownership, especially if driving habits involve frequent city commuting. Interior, comfort AMP. Practicality. Seating. 5-passenger standard, with adequate room for front and rear occupants. Seat materials and trim vary by package from durable fabric to higher-tier softer materials. Cargo space. The RAV4 Hybrid preserves much of the standard RAV4's cargo capacity, with rear seats that fold down 60-40 split for cargo versatility. The raised seating position and SUV stance also make loading and unloading easier. Ride comfort. Suspension is tuned to favor comfort and stability over sportiness. The hybrid setup contributes to a smoother ride thanks to electric motor assist and reduced engine noise at low speeds. Features. Depending on trim, buyers can expect amenities such as power liftgate, dual-zone climate control, rear privacy glass, and modern multimedia interfaces. Technology AMP. Infotainment. The RAV4 Hybrid includes Toyota's modern infotainment system touchscreen depending on trim level. Smartphone integration is supported via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on most trims, allowing navigation, media, and apps to be seamlessly used. Multiple USB or USB-C ports are available for charging devices in front and back seats. Higher trims may include premium audio and convenience features e.g. power-adjusted seats, upgraded upholstery, enhancing comfort for families or daily commuting. Safety AMP. Driver assistance. Standard across the hybrid lineup is Toyota's Driver Assistance Suite. Pre-collision system, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control. For extra safety, mid to upper level trims may offer blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, and more advanced convenience aids. Stability control, traction control, and ABS are standard, ensuring the hybrid's power delivery and AWD system remain safe under varied conditions. The RAV4 Hybrid's design emphasizes visibility and driver comfort, improving long-term comfort for daily driving and commuting. Driving experience AMP. Use cases. Urban daily driving. The hybrid delivers smooth stop-start performance and excellent fuel efficiency, ideal for commuting, errands, and city traffic. Mixed commuting and road trips. The hybrid system handles highway speeds confidently. AWD adds security in poor weather or rougher roads. Family or cargo use. The combination of SUV practicality, cargo space, and fuel savings makes the RAV4 Hybrid well-rounded for families, small road trips, or light adventure use. Winter and all-weather driving. AWD Hybrid gives confidence in snow or rain, a practical benefit in regions with seasonal weather shifts. Pros. Amp. Trade-offs. Pros. Very good fuel economy for an SUV. AWD Hybrid gives mix of efficiency and all-weather capability. Balanced ride comfort and SUV practicality. Reliable hybrid technology with Toyota's reputation for durability. Flexible cargo and seating options for everyday use. Strong standard safety and driver assist features. Trade-offs. Cons. Performance emphasizes smoothness and efficiency, not sportiness. Cargo space is generous but not as large as full-size SUVs. Hybrid complexity may add slightly more maintenance cost versus simple gas vehicles, though Toyota hybrids are well regarded. Upfront cost is higher than basic gas-only models, though payback comes via fuel savings. Ride and handling are tuned for comfort. Agile driving is not a primary goal. Who the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid is best for commuters who want to save on fuel without sacrificing SUV practicality. Families needing a dependable, efficient, and versatile SUV for daily driving, errands, and occasional travel. Drivers living in climates with variable weather, benefiting from AWD and hybrid traction control. People who want the convenience and flexibility of an SUV but value eco-conscious driving and lower running costs. Anyone seeking a balance of efficiency, reliability, safety, and comfort in a compact SUV package. Bottom line. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a smart choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and versatile compact SUV. It combines the benefits of hybrid technology with practical SUV traits, making it a well-rounded option whether you're commuting, traveling with family, or handling everyday tasks.